This is an emergency alert issued by the National Weather Service. This is not a test. A multi-day severe weather outbreak will unleash intense winds, powerful thunderstorms and tornadoes across the central and eastern United States through the weekend. These storms, which will take place in approximately 30 states, are highly dangerous to human life and infrastructure. When these storms hit, expect mass power outages, floods, loss of internet, road hazards, such as water or debris, hail, and infrastructure destruction. Severe thunderstorms have already been reported rolling into few states. On Saturday and Sunday, massive tornadoes will hit the eastern and central United States. On Monday, severe rainstorms will occur, causing mass flooding. On Tuesday, a mild rainstorm will occur. If the situation worsens, people may need to evacuate. If you have to evacuate, bring essentials such as food, water, radios, phones, and other much-needed supplies.